Yes, AI is going to save you some work, but it still requires some work to do that. So what AI won't do is, you know, what AI won't do is put you on the beach retired. What AI probably will do is increase your what your clients can expect from you on a regular basis, which will be that higher above people who don't use AI. So we're talking about adding guardrails in the system prompt. So system prompt, we've talked about this. It's how we're instructing the AI to give us that information. So we never wanted to invent facts. We wanted again to ask follow-up questions till it gets enough context to answer it, and we want to keep those instructions precise. And then, again, we wanted to say, I don't know. Embrace uncertainty. Have it in there that it says I don't have enough information to answer that. Train your AI to recognize knowledge gaps. And again, by saying, if you don't have enough information, ask me for more questions ask me enough questions to get context, or say I don't have enough to answer that question correctly. I'm not going to create facts. AI is smart enough to know when it's hallucinating or when it's saying to the facts. You want to reward humility, encourage transparency over confidence for incorrect answers. And that'll build more credibility with your team. And you can also, when it gives you an answer, you can say, do you want to rephrase or clarify that? Training your AI to suggest new steps when facing knowledge limitations. Again, you're having a conversation. That's the beauty of AI, is you don't have to learn computer code or skills to go back and do these programming loops that you would do as a programmer. So you're just asking the questions to get this feedback in. So that goes back into the real world testing, team questions, using real, questions from your team to test the AI with relevant scenarios. Anything else, you do product like testing, spot check your AI system, systematically like a product. If you're going to be putting in a production, it needs to be checked on a regular basis. And trust naturally builds when the error results are consistently, aligned with your organization. When you're getting consistent results from the questions you get there, you can start to lean in and trust AI even more.